if I've slept in like a hotel and I'm not sure about like the pillows, or I've fallen asleep and didn't take off my makeup, for sure, I can guarantee that I'm going to have.
Oh shit.
All right, so do I look a little different? That's what a good like clarifying toner, milky rice, tea tree, witch hazel situation will do. It'll change your whole life, including your lighting and like your agenda for the day. So actually, we lost power. I don't know what's going on, but something's like going down in Sacramento. Power just went out, and I thought like maybe it was like, I don't know if you can hear this, but there's so much happening. Like in studio, we're all kind of shocked. So we've opened the door in studio. Obviously, like the lighting is different. This is what we're doing today. So I've done my tea tree toner and I've done my witch hazel. So now I'm gonna do this one here, and this is the Chinese ginseng and rice brightening toner. So it is a clarifying milky toner. Basically what this product does is it helps brighten hyperpigmentation. I don't know if this condition is exclusive to brown skin, but when I get like scars, especially acne scars, it leaves a scar for a long time and it gets quite dark around the break in skin, and that's called hyperpigmentation. The fact that my skin is getting darker from the scar instead of lightening, which would be hypopigmentation, is just something that I really don't like. It makes me feel less confident, and it's something that I've been trying to really, coach my skin through over the last couple of years, because I've had a lot of acne problems in the past. I've always had acne as a child and into my adulthood, and I've just now in the last couple of years gotten my skin to a place where I'm only really breaking out if it's hormonal, or if I've just kind of done something to really aggravate my skin, like wear heavy makeup and not like wash my face at night. So I don't break out unless it's those things, and I'm trying to keep it that way, but I'm also still trying to work on some of the issues that I've experienced from like yesteryear. I've had that kind of hyperpigmentation that's kind of stuck around. So all that suffices to say that this product, I was told, is to help with that. So I've been using it and I've been getting compliments on my skin. So I guess a combination of all of this stuff on the table is working. But honestly, I couldn't point to this one in particular and say for sure that this is doing its job. But it's been working for me, so I haven't really decided to change it until now, which I'll get into later. But with this product, they advise that you just kind of do a gentle shake. It does have some buildup of sediment at the bottom that you're just going to try and disturb. So that way you have a milkier, kind of like thicker toner to work with. With this one, I like to just take a little more than I do with the tea tree, and I kind of go over all areas of my face because I want it all to balance out and be one color, the same color. I've noticed that it's pretty gentle. It doesn't really sting or hurt, although this one does sting a little bit, but I'm okay with it because I really like the feel of like active ingredients doing what they're supposed to do. And I'm gonna kind of spend a little more time on the places where I have some scarring from some pimples that I got last week. And I'm done. This is how I would use these products. This one for sure I would use at night. I would use in the daytime if I had an active breakout that was really persistent, but I wouldn't use this one daily, just when I have an active breakout or for spot treatments. Definitely at night, I think that this is like a good product. So another product I've already used, and I'm not going to do right now, but I just kind of wanted to talk about it, is a red eye reducer. This is generic, but I've used Visine and other name brands before. They all kind of work the same. Sometimes I wake up and my eyes are like just really red, probably really tired. I pull long days daily, so in order to feel better and look fresh, I know that it does restrict the blood vessels, and it's best for your eyes to reduce redness on their own on a daily basis. But you know, I don't know. I already wear glasses. My vision's not the worst, but it's definitely not gonna get any better. And I just feel like I'd rather look not like I have pink eye. Or now is where I get into serums. I've washed my face, I've toned, which has kind of balanced my skin. I've used my eye redness, red my eye redness reduction product. What do we call this? What the fuck is it called? I've used my redness reliever for my eyeballs, and now I would go through my serums and decide which serum I'm going to apply to my face. So I know this bottle looks like shit. It's like really poor. It scratches up really easily. I also have this tea tree product, and at nighttime I use that tea tree product. I told you I had a lot of acne before, and so I have a lot of tea tree products like incorporated into my line, and Body Shop has had really, really good products that have worked for me, especially at a price point that is, you know, attainable. They offer sales and things throughout the years that bring the prices down significantly. This is a tea tree oil, and these two are tea tree serums. I also have a vitamin C serum, a Wonder serum that's good for like wrinkles and skin repair, and then a hydrating ageless serum, Drops of Youth, Roots of Strength, an intense lightening serum, an intense bleaching serum. I'll start off with these two because I feel like just saying the names are quite controversial. These products are targeted for that hyperpigmentation that I was just talking about. So the lightening serum is daytime and the bleaching serum is nighttime. They say that you'll see results in 4 to 6 months after using. So it does take some time, and it is kind of a gradual process, but some scars never go away without something to aid. I will use this one, and it's a little on the milky side, I guess. There are thinner serums, like this one's pretty thin. So when I kind of show you that one, you'll notice how thin it is, but this one's like very thick. And so are these two. But this is part of my daily because one of my goals is to have very clear, even skin. And I've definitely gotten closer to that. You know, I'm still really displeased with kind of the scarring that I have left. So that's why I use this product. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. I post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side. Because I do have an active like pimple at the moment, I am going to use a tea tree product. There's this one by Body Shop and this one by Amazon, like I mentioned. And honestly, I kind of use them in conjunction, so I don't know if one is better than the other. And it'll be hard for me to make like a choice. So I will get a couple items and try them all out at the same time, and then I really don't have a way of knowing what worked. On a fresh face, especially if you've like scrubbed in the shower or used your Clairsonic and then just come out and did your toning and then used these tea tree products, they do sting. But since it's been a little bit of time since I washed and toned, I'm not really feeling any sting. And I'm actually going to go ahead and use a drop of this, which is an oil, which I was so shocked to find out that this is something that I could use. I have combination skin, and honestly, it doesn't sound like appropriate to put oil like on a pimple, but it works. This product really works. So this is one that I can definitely say I believe in. And you just kind of just get like one drop and you just kind of put it wherever you have an active breakout. I try not to overuse this product. I don't want my skin to adjust to this product. I want my skin to always react to this product in the way that it's supposed to. So I really do try to just spot treat, and I'll even bring this with me and spot treat throughout the day if I need to. But if I don't have any pimples, I'll use this as part of my nightly routine instead of spot treating. Today, my skin feels a little dry. I didn't moisturize right away after washing my face this morning. And so my skin is just kind of not feeling as, it feels soft, but it's not feeling as moisturized as I would like. So I'm going to use the Ageless Serum, which is really thick. You see that? It's really, I think they would describe this as buoyant. So this one's supposed to provide a lot of moisture, and it also kind of gives a dewy kind of look to your face because of the moisture that it provides. I would say I would use one other one, and this one is that Drop of Youth that's supposed to make you look youthful, but honestly, I did try this pretty exclusively and I wasn't really satisfied with the results. So I would not be refilling this one when it's done, and it's almost done right now. But I'll just show you, it's also really thick. And it did come with a moisturizer, which feels really good on the skin. But again, I didn't notice any results that the product claimed. Like, it didn't make me look any younger, or it's supposed to help turn over your cells so that way you replenish your cells quicker. And I just didn't see anything that looked like it worked that way. What's left? The vitamin C. We have this Wonder Serum, which I got from Amazon. It's highly rated. It's very, very thin. Like, it feels like you're not even applying a serum to your face. It's quite runny. If I have a lot of acne, I'll use this one because it's good for skin repair. It also says, like, you know, scar healing and anti wrinkle, but honestly, I don't know that I've noticed that difference after using this product. But I bought it, so I'm going to use it. But what I will use is the Roots of Strength, which is a different kind of serum. So it's a firming, shaping serum, and it's kind of like a lotion. It's not like super liquidy like the other ones, and it's definitely like, it looks like a watered down moisturizer. This one doesn't smell too good. Like, all the other ones smell like really nicely, but honestly, this one smells kind of funny. I don't love it. But I feel like I've liked the results that I've noticed with this one. Since I don't use all of these products daily, I kind of like go on a day-by-day basis. I feel like I've noticed when I use this one that it has kind of like tightened my skin. And then the vitamin C one smells good, but I'm not gonna use it. It's good for hydration and acne, but I feel like I already put enough on, and that's good enough. If you use too many of the serums, your face starts to feel really funny in a taut way. Like, all the serums kind of pull your face really tight, and it's just like a weird feeling. Like, it feels like you have like a residue on your face. So I don't like to overuse. Also in this line up, I have tea tree mattifying lotion and a pore minimizer. The pore minimizer is, in my opinion, garbage. Like, I didn't notice any results from this, but the mattifying lotion I really liked. So I am going to use this because I always like to mattify. I have a T-zone problem and I do break out. So this kind of helps with both of those problems. But before I do that, I'm going to use my Intense Bleaching Eye Cream from Image. Yay, we recorded some shit.